si Anthony Castelo ng Dakilang Lahi Foundation, sir. Sabi niya po meron daw pong serious Aust Duterte plot that may include the assassination of the president, sir. May comment po ba kayo? Are you aware of this, sir?
No. Ngayon lang, sinabi mo.
Sir, any comment po dito?
Well, sana he can provide us with more information. Or should provide the police and other law enforcement agencies about the threat on assassination.
Sabi po niya kasi it may be in full swing kasi malapit na po yung elections. Kung kailan daw watak-watak yung mga tao, sir.
Well, I'm sure the PSG knows their job. The PSG guys. Saka, another thing, alam mo, this president couldn't care less whether you will assassinate him eh. Yan nga kagandahan sa presidenteng ito eh. Daredevil. He dares everyone. Di patayin nyo kung gusto nyo, basta I'll work. That's my mandate.
Okay, sir. Pero wala naman pong immediate threat na nakikita lately.
Palagi, alam mo, basta presidente ka, palaging may threat. Palaging may threat sa kalaban. Maraming enemies of the state. But so far naman, okay naman yung PSG security group. So,